Cameroon produces about 230,000 to 250,000 tons of palm oil annually, a quantity far below the internal demand, which is estimated to about 400,000 tons per year. But how can sustainable palm oil production in Cameroon be done while protecting the environment? Is the essence of a two-day workshop organized by Worldwide Fund for Nature in Douala, regrouping journalists from national and international media organs.
The training consists of a modeling game that is needs to show to the journalists the importance of the production of sustainable palm oil in Central Africa. The game was segmented in the various stakeholders in the oil palm value chain.
For 2 days, journalists present at the seminar dropped their pens and notebooks to play the role of actors involved in palm oil production and commercialization. More than a game, the scene enabled these media men and women to get a glimpse of the dynamism in the palm oil sector.
I've come to understand that when they talk about sustainable development in the sector, it involves the economic, the social and the environmental aspects in the palm oil sector. Even with the increased palm plants that we have, plantations that we have in Cameroon still have a deficit in palm oil production.
Reinforce my capacity as an environmental journalist to report about how palm oil production can be more sustainable, but it is equally an opportunity for me as a journalist to be able to translate what I have learned in this seminar to those that are involved in palm oil production.
It is in a bid to remedy this threat in the palm oil sector that last July 2017 in N'Djamena, Chad, the Economic Community of Central African States, dubbed ECAS, recently validated a regional strategy to boost palm oil production in the Sept region by 2035.